Alright, we are in Huntington Beach today, and while we were heading to check out a couple of Mark 7 Aquajets, but here I have just spotted what looks to be my third ever PDQ Tandem Surfline. I literally just found this at the spur of the moment, so let's see if that's what it is. Let's double check. Yep. Looks like we got $15 top wash, much more reasonable. And yep, here we are. This is only my third PDQ Tandem Surfline in all of my life. So this is cool. Now this is cool.
Please wait while your transaction is being... Thank you.
So you have the PDQ logo on that side. Then OPW, Vehicle Wash Systems. Just gotta wait. Gotta wait for the light on the inside to turn green because this one probably is not accurate. This looks like a brand new install, so this is cool. I wonder what this replaced. What kind of system this replaced? Because it's definitely a replacement of something that used to be in here. Look at those colors. So this is probably going to apply our pre-soak. The other two I've been through before were really worn, and this one looks brand new, so I wonder if this one will do a better job than the other two. And the other two I filmed had like $20 as the top wash. This is only $15, so.
So far it looks like it's okay.
Well, it looks so clean, like this has a little bit of wear on it, but it's probably only been here for maybe a month at most. The sad part about this wash, these particular machines made this particular model, is that these will fall apart really easily if you don't take care of them. So if you have to pay, they're really high maintenance. Definitely a softer touch on the top brush than the other ones I've seen, like the soft gloss we just went through. Let's see. Doing the surface protectant now, which is triple foam polish. It's your favorite colors. Stacy is with me once again. So now the side brushes are going at it. So now it's going to reverse directions. Yep. Sorry, my arm's starting to hurt from pointing it back there for so long, so that's why it's shaking a bit. Just takes some sweet time back there. Well, it knocked the outside mirror loose.
Did it ride?
Huh? No, the one on my side.
Did it ride though?
No, it's meant to fold out like that if you push it, but the brush has pushed it. Okay. Now these side tire brushes are doing something. Looks like we're doing a wheel scrub right now. You can't really see it because it's hard to see from the inside. I only did the front tire by the looks of it, or maybe it was doing the back one when I couldn't see it. Okay.
So good for
Well, it's not quite done yet, so let's not jump to conclusions just yet. Okay, now it says it's still doing. Now it says surface protectant again. Then this is doing something else. This is probably the actual surface protectant. Triple foam is not really a surface protectant, it's a polish. But it probably didn't have a light for it, so it just used that one. Like a specific sign saying triple foam polish. This is probably a rinse. Oh, that's it. So now we have these Premier dryers and a clearly readable dryer timer up there, actually made by PDQ. Well, the good news about this mirror being blown out like that is it's going to get dried well, because it's facing the right direction. Only 15 seconds. So you don't. One little criticism I have here is that you don't get a lot of dryer time, unfortunately. I don't even think I'm in their range anymore. So, yeah, that was. Like I said, for $15, that's not a bad wash. I mean, you know, seeing a car wash at $15 in our expensive market these days is, yeah, it was okay. It's not really too surprising. I'm actually surprised the top wash wasn't more, so, which is a good thing. Well, I gotta push that mirror back in, so thank you for watching, and that is it.